I'm going to show you how I do product research, and we're going to see if we could find a good product to sell. What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Pat Harris and I'm a full-time Amazon seller. On my channel, I share tips that help with my own Amazon business so I could help others out. I also like to share videos related to the stock market, anything to do with investing and making money online. So if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell icon so you could follow along, because I upload new videos every week and it also helps out with the YouTube algorithm. So thank you for that. Just by doing that, by commenting and liking my videos, I do a giveaway at the end of every month where you have a chance to win my Amazon FBA Mastermind course, which is a complete course that shows you how to sell on Amazon. And if you already have my course, it's going to be a $100 prize, and I announce the winner in a video at the end of every month. So keep an eye out for that, but let's get into the video. So in this video, we're going to get into my computer. I'm going to show you how I do product research, and we're going to see if we could find a good product to sell. It does take time to find a good product, but maybe we'll get lucky. I'm going to show you what I look for when I'm doing product research, how I do keyword research so I could figure out how I could run my PPC campaigns and what keywords I could use to target. So for this video, we're going to be using Helium10. If you don't have Helium10, I have a discount code down below in the description, but I use Helium10 for all of my product and keyword research. So with that being said, let's jump into my computer right now and see what we could find in 10 minutes. Let's go. Alright guys, so like I said, I use Helium10 for all of my product and keyword research. For this video, I'll be using Blackbox, and it comes with Helium10. So you've probably seen it before, but if you haven't, this is it. So first off, I'm going to search by the keyword data. So I have the tab right here, keywords, and I put 20,000 monthly searches. So it's going to bring up products that have more than 20,000 people searching on Amazon. And then right here, I have the monthly revenue at $5,000 minimum per month. And then here I have the price between $12 and $34. I put a max price so I don't find products that are very expensive to manufacture. If you have a smaller budget, you put the max price right here. And then I do the review count to around 400. I know that's a little competitive, but sellers get a lot of reviews these days, so that's not too bad. If you're in the thousands, that's a different story. So then I come down here to reviews, competitors, and I have it at 5. So that means 5 of the listings are going to have less than 150 reviews. And then right here, revenue competitors, that means that 3 of the top sellers will have more than $5,000 in revenue per month. And we are going to hit search. Okay, so then all you have to do is scroll through all of these different products. I know it's a lot to do. You just have to keep scrolling, and you're going to keep your eye out for anything that stands out that you've never heard of. So you're not going to click on Tyson Fight or Pie Crust Protector Shield, although they're doing over $18,000 a month, so I might want to look at that. And then I'm going to keep scrolling to get about 3 or 4 different products, hopefully. But let's keep going down here. Sometimes I do this for fun when I'm bored, just trying to find different products. So this is what I do. I scroll, and this one looks okay. Semi-sphere silicone mold. So I know silicone is pretty cheap to make. They're getting over 20,000 monthly searches. They're doing $47,000 a month in revenue, and the reviews aren't too high, so we're going to add that to Amazon, and then we'll come back to that and look at all the different products that we found. But we're going to keep going here. Evil eye ring, I'm not sure what that is. Christmas napkin, sound reactive mask. Okay, so we're at the bottom of page 3 now, and I found this one, candle molds. It's in arts, crafts, and sewing. They have 20,000 monthly searches. They're only doing $8,000 a month, but let's see what those are because I've never seen them. And I'll try to find 1 or 2 more products, and then we'll look at the products that we found. Okay, so I'm on the last page. I'm not sure what shimmer and shine is. We're not going to sell spam, but pom pom garland, I've never heard of that. They're not doing that great of revenue, but we're going to check it out and see if we could find a different product on that page. So now we have 4 different products, and we're going to take a look. So first off, we had the pie crust protector. Now this is probably a little seasonal because everybody makes pies during Thanksgiving and Christmas, but you could see that these top sellers have hundreds of reviews. This one has over 1,000 reviews, so this would be very competitive. I don't like seeing sellers in the thousands, but if you do see people on page 1 with low reviews, that's a pretty good sign. But the price is pretty cheap, so let's actually run the numbers and see how much money they are making. So they have high search volumes, over 50,000 searches per month, but if you come over here and look at their review count, you could see it's pretty competitive. A lot of these sellers with high reviews are taking all of the money, but like right here, these people just launched and they're only doing $200 to $900 a month in revenue, but that's common because they just launched. So we want to come down here and look further. So like this one with 11 reviews, they're doing about $2,600 a month. This one has over 3,000 reviews, so you wouldn't want to compete against them. So this is way too competitive. A lot of new sellers jumping in the market. This one has one review, and they're not doing that great in revenue. I've launched a product that was doing over $4,000 with no reviews, so that's why you want to look at the competitors that have low reviews and then check on their revenue and see when they launched. So we're going to stay away from this one, but let's look at the other one. So a semi-sphere silicone mold, I can't even say it, but it looks like it's for some kind of dessert. All of these sellers have no reviews. This one has 61. So there's a lot of new sellers on page 1, so that's a good sign. So we're going to run the numbers and see how much money they're actually making. I'm going to use Helium10's X-Ray, which I use all the time. And you can see the search volume right here is over 20,000 monthly searches. And if we come down here, I don't like to compete against people that have over 1,000 reviews, but the average reviews is only 131, so that's not bad. The average revenue is pretty high. So I like to come to the sellers that have low reviews and see how much money they're making. This one's making over $68,000 a month with only 23 reviews. This one has 61 reviews. They're doing $126,000 a month. So let me see what that is. And look at their reviews. They only have 3 stars and they're doing over $126,000 per month in revenue. That's an estimate, but they only have 2 pictures. So you might be able to come in here and beat them. They are probably doing well because the price is so low. So I would want to go on Alibaba and see how much these little trays cost to make. I doubt they're over $1, but I would want to check on that. But that's pretty crazy that they only have 61 reviews. It's a 3-star rating and they're doing over $100,000 a month in revenue. So maybe you could do a different type of bundle with these. But like this one has 5 reviews. They're doing over $6,000 in revenue a month. 7 reviews. They're doing over $27,000 in revenue per month. So this seems like a decent product. There are sellers that have hundreds of reviews, but you can see those sellers do over $100,000 a month in revenue. This one has 14 reviews. They're doing over $6,000. 0 reviews, they're doing over 3,000. So that's what I like to see on a product. People with low reviews doing very good revenue at launch. Now it probably is getting saturated. Maybe more people are finding this product and launching it. But if you could launch this product at a good price, then you might have a chance because all of these sellers on page 1 are doing very good revenue. And you could see all of these other sellers. This one right here, they're doing over $100,000 a month with a 3-star rating and only 61 reviews. So that's pretty crazy to me. If I would want to launch this, I'd go to Alibaba, see how much they would be to source, figure out my profit margin using the profitability calculator with Helium10 or Amazon's FBA revenue calculator. But that is another product that is decent and doing very good revenue with low reviews, and that's what we want to find. Now here's another thing called candle molds, and you could see all of these sellers have very low reviews. So like this one, 73, 278. So we're going to run the numbers and see how much revenue they are actually doing. So again, you like to have high search volume on the main keyword. That means people are looking for these on Amazon and they want to buy them. So we're going to come down here. The average revenue is pretty low. I like to see this above 10,000. But I want to look at the new sellers and see what they're doing in revenue. So like this one has 22 reviews. They're doing over 5,000 a month. 73 reviews. They're doing over 2,000 a month. So that's not that great. Nothing really excites me with this product like the last one. So we're not even going to look at this one. We're going to go to the next one. And this is a pom-pom garland. Now right away I could tell this is probably for Christmas. I'm not sure about these rainbow ones.
It's a freaking double rainbow.
But let's see what these actually are. I'm not even sure. I guess it's mainly for Christmas stuff, but let's just run the numbers and see how much revenue they are making. So again, I like to look at the sellers that have low reviews. So like this one has 6 reviews. They're doing over 8,000 a month. So if you want to sell a seasonal product, maybe you could sell this, but I would stay away because I want a long-term product. So out of all of these products, I think the best one that I found was this one. And we're going to take the ASIN and put it into Cerebro. First, let me double check and make sure this was the one. So they're doing over $126,000 in revenue, and they have a whole bunch of different variations with only 61 reviews. So that's pretty crazy. So I'm going to take that ASIN and see what they are ranking for. So I'm going to go into Cerebro, which I use for all of my keyword research, and I'm going to paste that keyword here and see all of the different keywords that I could target. So as you can see, there's a ton of different keywords, and you can see the search volume. So I'll do high to low, and right here you can see their organic rank. So I want to find keywords that they're ranked for on page 1 and then look at those keywords. So right here where it says organic rank on Cerebro, I'm going to put up to 5. So it's going to show me all of the keywords that they're ranked for in the first 5 spots on that page. So I'm going to hit search and apply. So now we could see the really good keywords that they are ranked for on page 1 in the top 5 positions. So right here, hot cocoa bomb mold. I didn't even know that's what they were for. This is cocoa bombs. So this thing must be made for cocoa bombs. I'm not sure what those are, but that's how you do your product research. You want to come in here and find good keywords that you could target. You're not going to want to target these right off the bat because they have really high search volume. They're going to be very competitive and get a lot of clicks, and you have to sell over 900 units in 8 days to rank for that keyword. So you're going to come down here and look for these easy keywords around 2,600 monthly searches. You only need to sell about 8 a day under these keywords to rank for these. So this is like a Spanish keyword. Yeah, so that is pretty much it. That seems like a decent product. It is probably going to get competitive because I see a lot of new sellers jumping in, but that was a product that's doing over $100,000 with only 61 reviews. So that's still pretty crazy, but that is it for this video. If you need help with your own product research or you want to learn how to sell on Amazon, check out my links down below. I also have an Amazon FBA Discord, which you can check out below, and the discount codes, everything is down below. All right, that's it for this video. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can stay updated with new videos like this every week. I'll see you in the next video.